Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I would like to share with you this knife that I did review previously a few years ago when they were released at the first time, and today we'll be talking about the Sanrenmu 6020 RUC SA. Here's the model number. So it comes in a standard nice Sanrenmu box. You can use it in the presentation or put up here on your wall. And these were very popular back in the day, a few years ago when they did came out, and they were quickly sold out everywhere. So fast forward to 2018. This is the new model, or the same model, but with a little bit of a twist, and that is this nice little bird engraved on the side of the scale. Still no pocket clip, but no pocket clip needed, because this is in my opinion, a keychain knife. It has a keychain hole here, and to have a multifunction purpose, they will give you a bottle opener function at the back. So completely honest, my opinion, I have used this knife and gave away to my friends and family on several occasions, and it is really good. Probably one of the best things about this knife is their ergonomics and also the price point. I need to mention that this is a slip joint, so there is no problems with closing and opening. Everybody can open it, everybody can close it, just they need to be careful because it will snap. But it has a nice stop and a little bit greedy action, but that is necessary. So one hand opening is possible, but keep in mind that I have a large hand and gloves. The new version has also the Sanrenmu logo engraved on the blade and the model number on the other side. Okay, so the blade steel is HCR 14 MOV. It has a 4.7 up to 5.9 yes, 5.9 centimeter blade, because it depends on where you're measuring it. The close length is 7.9 or 3.11 inches. The total length is 13.5 or 5.3 inches. The blade thickness is 2.5 millimeters or 0.1 inch, and the handle thickness is 0.65 centimeters or 0.26 inches. The weight of the knife is 45.2 grams or 1.6 ounces, and as I mentioned, is made in China. So this is a really great keychain knife option that is out there from Sanrenmu. Has a really nice ergonomics, given that you have the finger choil part of the blade. Yes, it will cut down a little bit on the cutting edge, but this is more than you will need for all your standard chores around the let's say around the office or around the house, opening packages or ladders on just a cut a little bit of fruit or vegetables. just on the go, but mainly for that you have your kitchen knife. So on the road it is also a good helper. It's better to have something or nothing, in my opinion. So let's see a few comparisons with the Spyderco Dragonfly. So as you can see, the design of the blade is inspired from Spyderco leaf-shaped blade style, and the size is a little bit smaller than the Dragonfly. Here is the well-known ladybug. I try to put them at the same. Now you can see this is the exact position. They are all in the same vertical line. So but of course these are much more expensive options. Price wise, you are looking to pay around $8. Obviously depends on the place where you're buying it and if there is a flash sale or another sale discounts. I will link you a place where you can buy it, and of course if you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.